What's up, creators? Kool here from authorityvideos.com. Today, I'm going to show you how to build a fashion AI influencer brand step by step using AI. And here's the best part: no filming, no photo shoots, no expensive cameras. By the end of this video, you'll learn how to create stunning fashion content that works for you 24/7, builds a following, and even makes you money, all with the power of AI. Still skeptical? Let me show you how AI influencers are already dominating the fashion scene and making serious money. Lil Miquela, 3 million plus followers and brand deals with Prada and Samsung. Imma collaborates with Dior, Porsche, and top luxury brands. Shudu Gram, the world's first digital supermodel, featured in Vogue and Balmain campaigns. AI Angelica built a successful brand using AI-generated visuals. Noonoouri, known for collaborations with top luxury brands like Dior, Versace, and more. These influencers are not real, but their income is. And today, I'll show you how to do the same, step by step. Let's dive in. Step 1. Create your AI avatar. First things first, we're going to create your AI avatar, whether you want a digital version of yourself or an entirely new persona. Authority Videos makes it simple. Option 1. Train your AI clone for personal branding. 1. Visit authorityvideos.com and create a free account. 2. Head to the AI Avatar Studio and click Avatar by Photo. Upload 10 plus high quality images of yourself. The AI will analyze your face, expressions, and features to create a hyper-realistic avatar. Want to model the latest collections? Your avatar will be runway ready in minutes. Option 2. Create an avatar by prompt for creative freedom. 1. Select the Avatar by Prompt tab in the AI Avatar Studio. 2. Instead of guessing, we will use ChatGPT to generate a perfect model description inspired by successful AI fashion influencers. Open ChatGPT copy and paste this prompt from the video description. Generate ultra-high fashion AI avatar descriptions and details inspired by luxury runway models like Lil Miquela, Imma, Shudu Gram, AI Angelica, and Noonoouri. The avatar should have a unique aesthetic that blends futuristic design with highly detailed. I need the following information: model title, age, and so on. Then hit enter. Here is what I came up with. Model title, Sierra Nova, age young adult, gender, woman, ethnicity, East Asian, orientation, vertical, pose, full body, style, cyberpunk, prompt, avatar, in a metallic iridescent trench coat, standing in a neon-lit cityscape, futuristic makeup with glowing tattoos, fierce expression. Go back to authorityvideos.com, fill the information from ChatGPT and copy and paste the prompt, then click on Trained Model, and just like that, we've got a stunning AI model. Let's move to the next step and start creating high fashion content. By the way, you can find this prompt in the description. Step 2. Fashion AI influencer niche and image creation. Now, let's tailor your avatar to the high fashion niche. Authority Videos allows you to create incredible content with just a few clicks. I'll walk you through the process. How to generate high fashion images. 1. Select the AI Avatar Studio tab. 2. Open the Use My Avatar tool. 3. Scroll down to Generate Image on Video from Trained Avatars area. 4. Select your preference to image. 5. Then choose your model. 6th. Select orientation. 7th. Input a fashion-inspired prompt. Example: Sierra Nova, a young East Asian woman in a glowing iridescent trench coat, skillfully prepares a futuristic dish in a sleek neon-lit kitchen, her glowing tattoos illuminating the culinary creation. Finally hit the Generate Now button, and there it is. Look at that, professional grade content in seconds. No crew, no studio, just AI doing the heavy lifting. Step 3. Creating fashion reels. Static images are great, but if you want to go viral, you need short form videos. With Authority Videos, your avatar can create stunning 15-second fashion reels effortlessly. How to generate reels. 1. Select the AI Avatar Studio tab. 2. Open the Use My Avatar tool. 3. Scroll down to the Generate Image or Video from Trained Avatars area. Select your preference to Story Video. 5. Then select Model and Music. 6. Now input a short prompt for a reel. For example, Syra Nova walks through a neon-lit alley when a mysterious holographic message warns of danger. She decides to follow the threat, activating her comlink. Just as she moves forward, a sleek vehicle races toward her, signaling the start of a high-speed chase. 7. Then click on the Generate Now button, go to My Content and click on My Storyboard. Here you can find all the 3 scenes as images. In this stage, you have an option to recreate scenes. You can also recreate any particular scene if you want by clicking here. When you find everything is okay, click on the Generate Video button and boom! Just like that, you've got a jaw-dropping fashion reel. It's action-packed and ready to go viral. Let's keep the momentum going. Hosting and growing your AI fashion influencer brand. Now that we have images and videos, it's time to post and grow your brand. Consistency is key. AI growth formula. Post 3 AI-generated images per week. Build visibility and credibility. Post 1 reel per week. Drive engagement and viral reach. Use AI to write captions. Generate captions and hashtags tailored to your niche. Automate comments. Engage with your audience using AI tools. Monetizing your fashion AI influencer brand. Let's talk money. How do you turn your fashion AI brand into income? 3 revenue streams for fashion AI influencers. First, brand collaborations. Second, affiliate marketing. 3, ebooks or style guides. And there you have it, the ultimate blueprint for building a high fashion AI influencer brand, step by step. It's cool to stand out, and you can start today. If you want to know how to build a viral celebrity animation YouTube channel, check out my previous video right here. Don't miss it.